Flying above our garden was really quite revealing and in some ways unexpected. Being able to see the whole garden in one view emphasised how small our space actually is, but it also shows just how much we've incorporated into that small space. Please excuse my poor piloting skills. I'm still learning how to fly without crashing into one of our trees. And seeing our garden from above really emphasised the difference and contrast with all of our surrounding neighbours. We are indeed quite an island. You can clearly see the structure of our garden that we've planned, changed and developed over almost 25 years. The way the pathways in particular define the space and help to divide it up into areas or rooms, actually on the ground make the garden seem much larger than it actually is. And if you haven't done so, you should check out our on-foot garden tours. So thanks for flying with me. I'll see you in the next video.